Last year we launched our very own Instant Tech News app for Android and the response has been amazing. I mean, just look at the numbers here. Our Beebom app has been downloaded over 100,000 times. It has a 4.8 rating on the Play Store with more than 4,000 ratings. It's just amazing.
While a lot of you guys have loved the app, you've been asking us for more features and we've been listening. So today we are introducing Beebom app 2.0. It's got everything you've asked for and a lot more.
We have been waiting to show you the new Beebom app for quite some time now. And now it's here, let's check it out.
This is the new Beebom app. It's got a brand new UI and some great new features. Before you say it, I know some of you are already using it as beta testers, and some of you might have noticed the new app in our videos. But hey, this is something awesome and it deserves a proper introduction. So let's start off with the beautiful new UI. The new UI looks great, is more streamlined, works well with gestures and in line with the Material Design UI guidelines. As you can see, there are 3 new swipe-friendly tabs here. The first tab features all the tech news you all love reading. Notice the new Trending Today section. Everyone loved the trending bar in Beebom app version 1, and in Beebom app version 2 it looks a lot better and works a lot better.
Then there are the news cards, which bring you the same crisp and easy to read news, but as you can see, there's a new bar on the bottom. The first button here lets you read a detailed story of the same news, which is something a lot of you guys asked for. So now when you want to read a story in its full-fledged form, you can just tap on this button. Then there's the share button, the like button and the bookmark button. Also, there are the same gestures to read all the news in a jiffy, and since we all like gestures so much, there's a new gesture to quickly close the news and go to the home page of the app. Trust me, it's pretty awesome.
Let's move on to the second tab, shall we? Well, here we have brand new portrait videos which are quite unique. Yes, we are talking about the app exclusive videos and we are sure you are going to love them. So this is how portrait videos on the Beebom app will look like. Pretty awesome, right? So let's check out an actual video from our app.
Everything you say to your Google Assistant and your Google Home speaker is recorded. But don't worry, you have the power to delete all your recordings with just a few simple steps.
The videos not only look great, they are crisp and informational, just how you like them. Even the videos have gesture support. You can swipe up to know more, double tap on the left to rewind, double tap on the right to move forward, and pull down to exit the video. These gestures make the experience so much fun. Plus, there will be a new video every single day, so you will have something to watch every other day.
Okay, so let's move on to the last tab. Here rests your profile along with your bookmarks, including the videos and the news articles you bookmarked. There's also the settings button which features the dark mode. Yes, it's finally here. Just enable it and you get a glorious app in a cool dark theme. A dark mode is easily the most demanded feature, and well, we finally have it.
So that was a lot of new features and changes in the new Beebom app, right? There's a brand new UI which looks amazing. There's exclusive portrait videos which I'm sure you will love. There are new cool gestures that really enhance the experience, and there's the dark mode. Basically, Beebom app 2.0 brings everything you've wanted and more.
So what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead and download the Beebom app from the Play Store if you haven't already. The link is in the description below, and if you like the app, make sure you give it a 5-star rating.
Also share the app with your friends who love watching tech videos or reading tech news. We are sure they will love it.
And yeah, the Beebom app will be arriving on iOS devices later this year.
Yes!
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And we have some amazing updates lined up for you, so stay tuned for that. And like always, thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.